Welcome to Siberia, comrades. Snowing all the time. Cars are getting covered by snow. Everybody is shoveling. Snow plows is plowing. Everything is getting covered up by snow. You can see it's going off the roof. Over there. And we have over there. On the other side. You can zoom in, you can see 6 feet of snow on the roof with the big ice cubes coming off the sides. It's very cold, 20 degrees. We have wind chills into the morning of -24. So nobody's going to go to work tomorrow. And today there's no motorcycles riding on the streets, unless they have some kind of craziness. You can see across the street, the trees is moving in the wind. Crazy storm. 2015, middle of February, and it's just snowing and snowing and snowing.